Hello, FMCA friends. Welcome to Perry 2018. We have an opportunity to stop by and visit with Ed from the RV Fog Doctor. And I'm just curious, tell me a little bit more about your product. I just don't know much about it.
Well, we actually repair insulated windows. You know, they fog up in the middle and you can't see out of them. It's a safety issue for driving down the road, especially on the driver's side. You can't see the mirror. So we actually pull the window out of the coach, take it apart, rebuild it, put it back together, send you back down the road, crystal clear.
Excellent. Now, is this something you're doing on site or something you just do at your shop?
No, we just do it at our shop. We feel that it's better to do it in-house. That way we can control the environment around that window and put it back together. If you do it out in the elements, whatever you trap between those two pieces of glass, it's in that window forever. So we do it at our shop, do it in-house.
Excellent. Now, are you using tempered glass, or what are you doing from a safety perspective?
We definitely have to use tempered glass, and it needs to be DOT certified because it's in a motor vehicle. There are some companies out there that are putting plate glass back in these windows, and that is a real safety issue. If that window happens to break, it's going to shear off long shards of glass that's going to cut you. Safety glass actually just pops in a million pieces, and it won't cut you like that.
No, it makes sense. Now, Ed, where's your shop at?
We're actually located in Searcy, Arkansas, which is actually about 40 miles north of Little Rock off of 40. Or it's about 100 miles from Memphis.
Well, now that sounds like a pretty good trip people should make. Bring their coach out, drop it off at the shop, and go and explore all around Arkansas.
Sure, there's plenty of things to do in Arkansas. We actually have a shop that's got 12 bays in it, 50 amp service, sewer, water, so they can stay with their coach, take their tow car, and drive around and see Arkansas.
No, that's excellent. Now, if people want to find out more information, where do they go online?
Well, they can go to rvfogdoctor.com. It's got all the information. It's got some nice video and everything on the website.
That's excellent. Now, what about the folks that maybe it's a little too far to go to Arkansas? Are they able to ship to you, and what's involved with that?
Sure. Just get somebody to pull the window out of the coach if you can't do it yourself. Crate it up, put it on a freight truck, ship it to us. We have hundreds of windows shipped in every day.
Oh, that's excellent. All right, friends, rvfogdoctor.com. Ed, thanks so much for taking a couple of minutes. More great products, more beautiful coaches straight ahead here from Perry 2018.